billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you? My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about web developing. What is web developing? Web developing means to create a website. So there are some steps to make a website, so we will learn each step one by one. So first we will learn about World Wide Web. www. The World Wide Web is a system of interconnected documents and resources linked together by hyperlinks and accessible via the internet. It's like a vast collection of web pages, images, videos and other content that you can access through a web browser. The web allows people to share information and resources across the globe. Now what are web browsers? Web browsers are software applications used to access and view websites on the internet. Example includes Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. These applications render web pages and allow users to navigate the web by clicking on the links, entering URLs and more. Now what is websites and web pages? A website is a collection of related web pages and associated content usually hosted on a single domain. Web pages are individual documents within a website. They typically consist of text, images, links and other media organized into a cohesive layout. Now what are web servers? Web servers are computer or software responsible for storing and serving web content to user browsers. When you request a web page, your browsers communicate with a web server to retrieve the page content, which is then displayed on your screen. Now what is web addresses and domain names? A web address URL is a string of characters that specifies the location of a web page or resources on the internet. Domain names, example www.example.com, are user-friendly versions of IP addresses that help users find websites. DNS stands for Domain Name Systems, translates domain names into IP addresses. Now what is HTTP and HTTPS? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the protocol used for transmitting data between a web browser and a web server. HTTPS is a secure version of HTTP that encrypts data, providing a secure connection between the browser and server, important for protecting sensitive information. Now what is web hosting? Web hosting is a service that allows individuals and organizations to make their websites accessible on the internet by storing web files on a server. Hosting providers offer different types of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS, virtual private server hosting and dedicated hosting. Now what is web development technologies? Web development technologies refers to the tools and languages used to create and design websites and web applications. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which defines the structure of a website. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, which is used to make a website attractive. A JavaScript is a programming language which is used to make a website functional. Now what is responsive web design? Responsive web design is an approach to web developing that ensures websites adapt and display properly on various screen sizes and devices. It involves using flexible layouts, images and CSS media queries to create a consistent user experience on desktop, tablets and mobile phones. Web security. Web security involves protecting websites and users from online threats such as hacking, malware and data breaches. Implementing security measures like using HTTPS, keeping software up to date and educating users about safe online practices is crucial for web security. Now what is search engine and SEO? Search engines are tools that help users find information on the web by indexing and ranking web pages. SEO stands for Search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing web content to improve its visibility in search engine results, increasing organic traffic to a website. Now what is web accessibility? Web accessibility aims to ensure that websites and web content are usable by all, including people with disabilities. This involves designing websites with features like alt text for images and keyboard navigation to make them accessible to individuals with visual or motor impairments. Thank you guys for listening me. We will meet in next video, and I will give you this page in description so you can read from there too. In next video we will study about all these steps in detail in coming videos.